Yeah, we had a lot to drink in what I'm assuming is a short period of time.
I don't care. We were supposed to clean these videos up, but I don't care tonight, Paul.
Who cares?
Oh, really?
Guys, welcome back to the channel, Kitchenary Basics. I'm Chef Rob, here with Chef Zecanetti. I've got two taste testers with us tonight, Chef Barnett, Chef Tosco. We've got a pan-seared sirloin steak with a creamy mushroom sauce. It's gonna be fantastic. Can't wait to get into it. Let's first go over the ingredients. What we've got here, 4 premium choice fresh market cuts, finely chopped shallots, minced garlic, finely cut thyme, and parsley from the Kitchenary Basics Studios garden in the back, cremini mushrooms, unsalted beef stock, salt, pepper, and of course with your pan sauce, you need a lot of butter. And of course, the finest olive oil Spanish that you can find. Let's go ahead and get into it. After we get a hard sear on the steaks, we'll go ahead and create the pan sauce. We'll finish the steaks in the oven for about 10 minutes until the pan sauce is ready. Now we got our steaks, we got to put these in the oven to finish off, and while we're doing that, we're going to build our pan sauce. And of course, with a rich, creamy pan sauce, you got to start with butter.
Oh, really?
Also, this will help when you clean your pan. It's going to take all this fond off the bottom of the pan. And so the first thing we want to add after the butter are our mushrooms. But look, you can already see how the fond's coming off at the bottom of the pan. That's gonna add so much flavor. And these mushrooms are gonna absorb a lot of the water. And so the next thing we'll do when these have a good sear on them, a little more butter, and then our shallots, garlic, heavy cream, and beef stock. Oh, might want to get these in the oven. It's something simple and easy that you can do at home, and actually, Byron, Mike, it takes absolutely no time at all. Besides the prep work, that took about 30 minutes. Oh, really?
Really did. I was here.